will do an inspection of inside the dryer for you.
Okay.
Like on the base of it,
Yes.
make sure that there's not a massive buildup of lint.
Yeah,
actually
there may
inside.
be.
Yeah, so
I know. I didn't get that deep into it.
I will go grab all my stuff and then I will get started. And then after the inspection, I'll just give you a holler so I can show you everything that I found. And then from there,
Okay.
we can
And also, I can tell you from the wall, you know, the flange that comes out.
yeah, is it just like that big? Yeah. Okay. So there's a square piping in the wall up to about the header of the wall. From there's a pipe that gets connected from the side of that pipe. We want one continuous flow the whole ways through. This is the culprit of why their dryer is taking so long to dry and or getting those codes. Having a screen on there, you get this buildup right here of lint. This technically is actually out of code completely on the termination here. Doesn't have a damper, a little flap that opens and closes. That is very open, and so if it rains, there could get rain possibly.
Yeah.
So this is actually a wall vent that they kind of just sat on top of that pipe.
Okay.
So what I was actually pulling up some stuff here. It's a 4-inch pipe that you just kind of sit on.
My dryer wasn't working. I kept getting a heating element error. So I called. I was actually referred to this company by an appliance place that's been here before. And so I called. Process was great. I spoke to a woman on the phone and she explained the process. Tyler came out. They were real great about keeping in contact, texting me when he was on his way, came in, explained the problem that we had. We need to fix a couple things, cleaned everything out, and I'm sure my dryer will be working perfectly. So I'm excited to do some laundry.